Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be covering the Under Armour Speedform Gemini in two different color variations. We have the white colorway and the black colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about the Under Armour Speedform Gemini. This is a sneaker I've been wearing every single day. It is literally so comfortable. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled these two colorway options. Then we will finish with how much these are going for on the retail market and where you can find them. Let's jump right into it. As far as simplistic color schemes go, you have to have a black and white sneaker in your sneaker collection. This is just something that you can wear with anything and everything, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the Under Armour Speedform Gemini silhouette. I just think that this is such a great everyday shoe that really you can use as a lifestyle sneaker, but you could also use it to work out in. Also, some of the key features of this, you can actually wash these in the washing machine. So if they do get dirty, specifically this white pair, you can just toss them in the washing machine and they'll be like spanking, shining, brand new after. So as far as these two colorway options, I have the black and white variation, but these do actually, this specific silhouette does come in other colorways. So don't feel like you're going to be stuck with these two color schemes if you do want something a little bit brighter and more pop of color. As far as the look and feel for this one, so upper is fully covered in this nice lightweight mesh. This one has it in a black finish. I'm not sure which one I'm loving more. I just feel like I love having both of these. So if I want an all black look or I want to mix it up, I can do black and white. As far as the laces go, this has laces that are white outlined in black, and then this is swapped with some black laces, but you've got some heather gray hues outlined on the laces for this pair. As far as the branding goes, we've got the Speedform. Let me just pull that out here, and this is a really nice stretchy tongue, and it's super thin, and you can see that it's perforated here, so you're getting so much breathability in these. It is perforated pretty much on the entirety of the upper of this sneaker, so that's why this is also just a great pair to work out in. All right, let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. The medial size of the sneakers, we've got lots of those thick perforated holes here, and this one's in white and black. And then as we work our way to the back, the Cajun unit here is in a black tone and finish on both pairs. And then as far as this color goes, I do love that this color is actually quite malleable. So this is actually going to make it very easy to get in and out of the sneaker as well. And then when we wrap around to the lateral side, this is where we're getting the Under Armour logo. And then this one is in silver and this one is in black. One of the cool parts about this sneaker that I realized is there's actually no insole on here, which is really cool. So this is kind of just like a sewn in all together sock liner, but you don't have to worry about taking a insole in and out, especially if you're going to be washing it. And one of the parts of how I know you can wash these is this is unusual. You don't really see this inside of sneakers, but it has the washing instructions on here. So you want to wash these in cold. So now let's look at the outsole for both of these. So this one has black and white for the outsole. The midsole is all white with some branding for the Speedform Gemini here. And then you're getting the same branding on this pair, but the midsole is in gray. And then we've got gray and black for the outsole of the sneaker itself. As far as the cushioning goes in this has a charged cushioning. These are also super lightweight. That's probably why when I first tried these, they really grew on me, just because it feels like I'm really not wearing anything on my feet. And then as far as this midsole goes, this has a really just cool midsole that's very squishy to the feel. It's almost as if you're walking on clouds every step that you take. Really cool tech that they've added in here. And as far as the formation to the foot, I feel like this really just forms quite nicely to my foot. And also just the meshing on the toe box is really flexible and malleable. So I feel like you can really move your toes in there. They don't feel like they're constricted, which also is a plus for me. All right, let's take a look at all of those details and then we'll jump into size and fit. Size and fit goes, I would stick true to size in this. I feel like these fit me perfectly. I do typically when I'm working out wear thinner socks, but even if I were to wear thick socks with these, I feel like the meshing on this is so flexible that it's easier to wear a thicker socks with this and it doesn't feel like it's too snug in the toe box region. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So again, I do think that this also is a great sneaker option outside of just working out in them to wear as a lifestyle shoe. And if you do get it in either of these colorways, these are some of the easiest colorway options to really match. So for the first look, I decided to go with a black cropped tank top, and then I wore some wide width black and white pants. I definitely feel like you can really wear either colorway with that look, and even if you want to add some other different colorway options, you can rotate that in as well with some denim colors in blue or khakis. I feel like this would go great with that.
Catch your eye and looking at me, of course. Halfway through the day, you're on my mind and thinking you're there to stay. 'Cause I would let you change me.
And then for the second look, I decided to go with a gray bandeau top and some gray matching wide width pants for kind of a more sporty, dressier feel. I definitely feel like because this has a nice sheen to it on parts of the sneaker, you can really dress these up a little bit as well instead of just kind of staying in that casual realm.
I would let you change me. I would be a fool. I can't think of any old thing I wouldn't do.
then for the last look, I decided to go with a simple all black romper. You really can't go wrong with all black. So that was more of a sportier kind of option that I want to give you. But definitely very, very easy colorway options to style with. As far as retail goes, these are retailed at a great price point of $130. You can find these online at on Under Armour as well as JD Sports. So be sure to check out this sneaker if you are in the market for looking for something that's an everyday wear, but also just a great sneaker option to work out in. Again, this is one of my favorite sneakers right now that I constantly am reaching for because of the look and feel of them, but also the fact that this is just such a lightweight option where I feel like I'm always going to be drawn to it just because of this amazing tech that's built inside the sneaker that gives you that all-day comfort. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined this for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video 8 thumbs up if you have not already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.